Good morning, children. How are you? Let's start today's class. Well, okay. In the previous class, we have discussed the chapter Acids, Bases and Salts. In that class, we studied what are acids and bases. What are the differences between acids and bases? Then indicators. What are indicators? Indicators are a special type of substances used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. That are indicators. For example, litmus paper. We studied the litmus paper. Then China rose, turmeric. These are some natural indicators. Let's discuss some of these indicators in detail. First one, litmus. We studied the litmus is extracted from lichens. It's available in the form of solution and also in the form of paper strips. Paper strips, blue and red. Litmus has purple color in distilled water. Purple color in distilled water. When it is added to an acidic solution, it turns red. When it is added to an acidic solution, it turns red. When it is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. When it is added to a basic solution, it turns blue. Okay. Now, let's try to test some solutions with litmus paper. Okay. First one, lemon juice. Take a few drops of lemon juice and add on a blue litmus paper. Similarly, a few drops on a red litmus paper. Okay. Then observe the color change. We can see the red litmus paper has no change. But the blue litmus paper changed to red. Blue litmus paper changed to red. Red litmus paper has no change. That means in acidic solution, blue litmus paper changed to red. So, lemon juice is an acidic. In this case, what is the effect of lemon juice on blue litmus paper? On blue litmus paper, it changes to red. Effect on red litmus paper, no change. It means blue changes to red. So it is a acid, acidic. This acidic in nature. Next, baking soda. Take some baking soda solution and add on a blue litmus paper. Similarly, add on a red litmus paper. Baking soda solution. Observe the changes on both litmus papers. We can find the blue litmus paper remains same, has no change. No change. But the red litmus paper changed to blue. Red litmus paper changed to blue. On baking soda. Baking soda. The blue litmus paper has no change. But the red litmus paper changed to blue. That means it is a basic solution. Baking soda is a basic solution. Okay. Now what is the effect on blue litmus paper? On baking soda, blue litmus paper remains same, no change. No change. What is the effect on red litmus paper? Red litmus paper changes to blue. Blue. It shows blue color on red litmus paper. That means it is a basic substance. It is basic. Okay. Then next, distilled water. Try this activity with distilled water. What's the effect? There will be no change. No change. No change. That means it is not an acid or not a base. It is not an acid, not a base. It is known as neutral. The solutions which do not change the color on either red or blue litmus papers are known as neutral solutions. Neutral solutions. It has no acidic or basic characters. It is a neutral. Here distilled water shows no change on red litmus paper and on blue litmus paper. So it is a neutral substance. It is a neutral substance. Neutral substance. Next natural indicator is turmeric. Turmeric. All of us are familiar with turmeric. Take some turmeric powder and add a little water and make a paste. Make a paste and deposit this paste on a filter paper or blotting paper and dry it. This can be used as an indicator. Turmeric paper. Now let's try to taste some solutions with turmeric paper. First one, lemon juice. Lemon juice. What is the effect of lemon juice on turmeric paper? Yes, no change. No change. Turmeric paper is mainly used to find the basic substance. For basic substances. Lemon juice has no effect on turmeric paper. No effect. That means it is not a base. It is not a base. Then vinegar. Vinegar has no effect on turmeric paper. No effect. So, it is not a basic substance. Not a basic substance. Then baking soda. Baking soda. What is the effect of baking soda on turmeric paper? Reddish brown color. Let's change. Reddish brown color. Change it to reddish brown color. That means it is a basic substance. Baking soda shows reddish brown color on turmeric paper. That means it is a basic substance. It is a basic substance. Soap water. Soap water. What is the effect of soap water on turmeric paper? It also shows reddish brown color. Reddish brown color. That means it's also a basic substance. Here also reddish brown color. Reddish brown color. It's also a basic substance. Okay. Then next, common salt. Common salt has no effect on turmeric paper. So it is not a base. No effect. So it is not a basic substance. Not a base. Then sugar. Sugar also has no effect. Not a basic substance. Okay. Turmeric paper. turmeric paper is mainly used for testing bases. Bases. It shows reddish brown color on bases. Lemon juice, no effect. Vinegar, no effect. Baking soda, reddish brown color. Soap water, reddish brown color. That means these are bases. Baking soda and soap water. Then common salt, no effect. Sugar, no effect. These are not bases. Our next natural indicator is China rose. China rose. Collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water. Keep it for some time. After some time, it changes its color. We can use this colored solution as an indicator. As an indicator. We can test using this indicator. We can test these solutions with China rose indicator. First one, lemon juice. What's this initial color? Lemon juice. It is colorless. Colorless. When we are adding China rose indicator, this changes to dark pink. Dark pink. This initial color, colorless. Lemon juice is a colorless solution. It changes to dark pink. Then shampoo. Its initial color light blue, shampoo. When China rose indicator is added to shampoo, its color changes to green. Color changes to green. Then next, vinegar. Vinegar is a colorless solution. When we are adding China rose indicator to vinegar, it changes to dark pink color. When we are adding China rose indicator to vinegar, it changes to dark pink. Next, soda water is also colorless solution. When we are adding the China rose indicator to soda water, it changes to green color. Okay. Here, from this we can find that the China rose indicator change the acidic to dark pink color. Changes the acidic solutions to dark pink color and change the basic solutions to green color. Basic to green color. Here we have three test solutions. Hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, distilled water. Hydrochloric acid shows red color in litmus. That means it is acidic. No changes in turmeric indicator. And dark pink color in China rose indicator. It is an acidic substance. It is an acid, hydrochloric acid. Then sodium hydroxide. It shows blue color in litmus. That means it is a basic substance, or it is a base. Then it shows reddish brown in turmeric indicator. And green color in China rose indicator. So it is a base. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Then next, distilled water. It has no change in litmus indicator, no change in turmeric, no change in China rose. So distilled water is a neutral substance, neutral solution. It has no change in litmus, turmeric and China rose indicator. Then you can say that this hydrochloric acid, it is an acid. Then sodium hydroxide is a base. Distilled water is a neutral solution. Then we can conclude from these experiments, we can make a conclusion that acidic substances shows red color to litmus. no changes to turmeric, and dark pink color to China rose indicator. Acidic substances shows red color to litmus, no changes to turmeric, and dark pink color to China rose. Then basic substances. Basic substances shows blue color to litmus, reddish brown to turmeric, and green color to China rose. Basic substances shows blue color to litmus, reddish brown to turmeric, and green color to China rose. Then neutral substances shows no change in litmus, no change in turmeric, no change in China rose. Thus, we can find whether a substance is acidic or basic using these indicators. Now, let's wind up today's session. Okay, thank you.